Welcome to the channel, everybody. Martin with Lavoro. Today's review is going to be about this CARLUEX, however it's pronounced, Pro 2.0. So I have worked with this company in the past. They sent me this little dongle for Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. This is supposed to be a more fancy one that lets you do all kinds of crap on your screen. So if that's the case, awesome. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna get it unboxed, see what it looks like, what it comes with. They also sent me this little thing to mount it on your, it's like a magnetic phone mount. That's pretty cool. They make these as well. I'm not gonna use it, but they did send it. Let's see what comes inside of this thing and how it works. So we got a quick start guide. Number 1, plug it into the car's USB port. Number 2, connect to the internet. To connect to the internet, you can connect via a mobile hotspot or insert a SIM card for internet access. So this thing does need internet access, unlike this, which is just a dongle. This is like a whole module. Maybe, I guess this has the magnetic mount too, so you can mount to this. I'm still not going to use it. I don't like vent clips. Personal preference. What did they include in the box? Let's see. They open this box. Is it open this way? No. Oh, there we go. Oh, really nice USB cord. And it's got a USB A to USB-C adapter on the other end. So I guess this is to power it. On your car's USB port. And I think my car's got both, so that's cool. Get this off. And this plugs into here. I don't have an SD card to attach to it, so I guess it's going to work off of the phone. Is that what the quick start guide said? Doesn't look like it comes with an instruction manual. Let me look at the quick start again. It does have a little QR code you can scan if you need help. So, connect to your mobile hotspot. So I guess we're going to connect it off my phone's hotspot. So it does need internet to work. But we're going to see what it does with internet, without internet, yada yada. So let's get into the car, fire it up, see what we got. Alright, so to connect, as simple as so. Your car has a USB port. There you go. If it doesn't, you're probably SOL. And this probably isn't going to work for you. Oh, no way. Oh my god. There we go. It's plugged in. Next, I got to do all the phone pairing stuff, yada yada. I don't really have a way to show that, but hey, look. The lights are on. Let's turn the car on a little bit and see what we get. Turn the volume down just in case there's any copyrighted music that decides to start playing. And automatically switches my screen over to it, so that's cool. Boom. Okay. This thing's like a whole Android module, I'm assuming. This says mobile device, connect device. But I don't think it has internet right now. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, my screen's really touch sensitive. Okay. Go home. How do we go home? Oh god. Okay. Go Google Maps. Unless they put a card in here to kind of give it location and everything. Turn on this device's location. Okay. Yeah, so nothing's working. I'm gonna have to connect this, No, go back. Go back to the home screen. Come on. Home. Okay. So, I mean, look, it's got a bunch of stuff on here already. I'm gonna turn on my phone's hotspot so I can get it connected, or Bluetooth or something. I gotta get this connected to the phone. Every phone's gonna be a little bit different, but it looks like it connects with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi hotspot. So I don't know if it does pass through, like tethering through the Bluetooth. I don't think it does, but let me get it connected. Okay, got it connected to the phone. As you can see there, it's my Galaxy S24 Plus. It's connected to the Wi-Fi. It's connected to my home Wi-Fi right now. So I guess you can go to a cell carrier, get a SIM card, throw it in here, and you'll be good to go. What's cool is these little LEDs, which like these are the only LEDs, but you can kind of adjust those. So let me show you. There's an app on here that just says LED. Now the responsiveness on this isn't the greatest, but see right now I've got the rainbow because I'm not because I'm gay, because I got a lot of RGB accessories for like my computers and games, and the whole little rainbow thing is not a symbol of being gay. It's a symbol of, no, it's not even a symbol. People just like the colors, right? Nothing against gay people. It's just, I'm just pointing that out. But you can change the color, so like do orange. Come on, orange. No? Okay, let's check the color wheel. So we can tap the color wheel anywhere we want. Like you want yellow, changes to yellow. Want teal, changes to teal. I'm going to put it on rainbow though, because I just think the color changing effect is cool. As you can see there, it just keeps changing colors on you. Okay, how do we get go back to the home? Maps works. I do have to update it though, so you do have to sign into your Google account to the Play Store to get all that stuff to work, so it looks like these apps are a little out of date. You can see, make it your map, sign in, skip. But then it still wants me to update the map. But see, we got the maps here, so you got navigation. And go home. And what else do we want to do? Let's do YouTube. Now let's go find my channel. It's going to take a second if it lets me. Okay, search in YouTube. I don't know what that was. Not Bel Air. I'm not that famous yet, so hey, look at that. That's what I used to be called. Now it's just Lavoro. There we are. There's some videos. Let's just play a short video real quick. There you go. So hey, you got YouTube in here if you want to keep your kids entertained. While you're parked, of course, not while you're driving. But pretty cool stuff. So this thing's got a lot of neat features. I don't know the price of it. I apologize. I forgot to look it up before I posted this. They did send this to me. But I will post a link down in the description below. So be sure to check it out. So this basically just turns your infotainment system into Android device. And then you can also get a SD card. Not an SD, yeah, like a SIM card, I mean. If you want to have its own cellular connectivity. Otherwise, you can hotspot it off your phone. Or if here I just connected to my home Wi-Fi just to demonstration. But that's probably one of the coolest little devices I've seen that just plugs in, kind of converts everything. So if you're interested in it, again, I will post a link down in the description below. Be sure to check it out. It's one of the cooler items I've gotten recently. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, you find this helpful. And then I also wanted to add, if you don't have an infotainment system, you might be able to get it to work with like a tablet or something, or a screen. You might have to MacGyver some things, but yeah, HBO Max, we got all kinds of stuff. And it's got the Play Store, so you can download whatever app you want on here. You can put Angry Birds on here and just play freaking Angry Birds, or Candy Crush, whatever you feel like playing. You want to play a gacha game, you play a gacha game. But again, that's all I got for you guys. I'll kind of fiddle with this thing more and figure more things out. Hopefully you found it helpful if you decide to buy it, or if not, whichever. But I will see you all in the next video. Have a good one.